Hello friends, welcome back to another video here on this channel. And in today's video I'm going to explain or show you how you can blend or use the charcoal pencil and the graphite pencil all together in the same drawing. So most of the times what happens is that using these two different mediums becomes really difficult because of how you apply one on top of the other, and this is one of the biggest problems that most beginner artists find when they are trying to use charcoal pencil and graphite pencil together in the same drawing. So I'm going to first of all explain the difference between a graphite pencil and a charcoal pencil. So here is the Derwent graphic pencil, and mostly graphite pencils comes in grades. Okay, so you have from H to B, and the H simply means hard, okay, and the B simply means soft. So the higher the number, the softer or harder the pencil is. So a 9B probably will be a softer pencil, and an H will probably be a harder pencil. Okay, so when it comes to the charcoal pencil, here is the general's charcoal kit pencil, and usually charcoal pencils comes in three grades. Okay, so you have the hard, the medium, and the soft. Okay, so in blending these two mediums together, and what's the common mistakes that people or beginner artists make is that they try to shade first with the charcoal pencil, and usually graphite pencil. Okay, and with the graphite pencil they usually helps you to create finer details, but when shading with the graphite pencil you do not want to kind of press really hard. Okay, because when you try to press really hard it produces a shiny surface. Okay, and most artists don't like this kind of shiny surface, but that is the quality or the property of the graphite pencil. So the common mistakes most artists make is that they try to shade an area with a graphite pencil, and now they want to apply a charcoal pencil on top of the graphite pencil, which will not work or becomes difficult to work with. Okay, on the other side also, when you try to shade with the charcoal pencil just like this, okay, and you want to shade on top with the graphite pencil, it doesn't really work the way you want it, because the graphite pencil will peel off the darkness of the charcoal pencil and then tend to make the shaded area shiny. Okay, so you don't even get how dark you want the area to be. Okay, because the charcoal pencil produces a very dark shadows and a kind of a matte finish. Okay, so in blending these two different mediums together, this is what we are going to do. So first of all, the most important thing here is that when you get your reference, first of all you need to analyze the areas where you are going to have dark shadows, where you are going to place your charcoal pencil and where you're going to place your graphite pencil. Okay, that is very, very important. Okay, so now in case you want to blend the charcoal and the graphite pencil together, now that you know where your darker shadows are going to be, so you are going to, and this step is very important, you always have to blend from your shadows into your midtones, then your lighter areas. So now if you are blending from your shadows to the midtones, then into the highlights, then if you are blending the charcoal and the graphite pencil together, now I'm going to start with the charcoal pencil. So when blending, pencil pressure is really important here. Okay, so now I'm blending from my dark shadows. Let me increase the size right here so that you guys can really see well. So now these are my shadows. Okay, this area is my shadows. Now we are moving on to the midtones. So now I'm not really pressing much. Okay, I've loosened up. Okay, I've loosened up. Okay, I'm not really pressing that much. Then into my lighter areas. Okay. Okay, so now I can use my graphite pencil in the mid-tones. I don't want to move into the darker areas. I'm just, with a lighter pencil brush, I'm just shading in the mid-tones, then in the highlights. Okay. So I don't want my graphite pencil to go into the darker areas. Okay. And one important thing that I want to talk about is the charcoal powder and the graphite powder. It's really helpful when you are trying to blend the two together. So this powder, I made them from the charcoal pencil and then the graphite pencil. So you can make them yourself by using a sandpaper. Okay, so I use this two to get the powder from the charcoal and the graphite. Okay, so now I'm going to blend the charcoal into the graphite area, which is the mid-tones. Okay, so this is my brush. So now I'm going to pick my charcoal. Okay, so now I'm picking my charcoal powder. Okay, then I'm going to blend from my shadows, which is the charcoal area here. Okay, then gradually into my mid-tones, where I have the charcoal and the graphite. Okay, so this area. So you don't really need to press that much because of the graphite powder that, the charcoal powder that we are using now. Okay, and the powder really helps because it helps you to close in the smaller gaps in the shaded area. Okay. So now I can easily pick my graphite powder also and blend from the middle tones into the darker areas and back into the lighter areas. So this process takes patience to master. Okay. So now I'm filling in the shadows. I'm filling in the middle tones here, back into the shadows, then back into the highlights. Okay. And now, with the help of the graphite powder and the charcoal powder, I can even use the graphite powder back into the charcoal area here. Okay. And I can also do the other way around, using the charcoal back here again into the mid-tones, then back into the highlights or the lighter areas. Okay, so the charcoal powder and the graphite powder helps you to really blend or mix blending charcoal pencil and graphite pencil together easily. Okay, so now we don't have any shine here. You just have your kind of matte finish. You are not having any shine here. So this is how you can easily blend charcoal pencil and graphite pencil together in the same drawing. So I hope this video is helpful to you, and if you're enjoying watching this video, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more tips and tricks like this. Thank you guys for watching this video, and I will see you hopefully in the next one. Peace.